Little boy's on the right. Hello, guys. Hello, here he comes. Where's Emmy? Hello. The little boy is very awake this morning. And here's the daddy. Here's the mommy. Whoopsie. Little boy wants to play. Here he is. Sorry about my feet. Chewing on my feet. Hello, darlings. There's Emmy. There's the little boy wagging his tail. Just taking a little rest for a minute. Hello. Hello, baby. Coming over to see me. Yes. So this is the little boy. Yes, this is the little boy. And there's the little girl, Tia. Tia, what are you doing here? Tia! Tia, come here. Doggy treat. Tia wants to play too. Doggy treat. Tia, come. Come on. Hello.